What's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to add working room logs. Well, only room joined, but I think room left should work. So yeah, so basically you wanna go to Discord. You wanna go to this Discord. Look, I'll show the invite right now. Look, I'll make it never. It's right here. I'll even put it in the description. So yeah, you're gonna put that. You're gonna go to the logs channel and the other stuff right here, and then you're gonna go to working room logs. You're gonna make it full. Control A, Control C, and then after that you're gonna go to revisions. Just paste that. I'm in a new PLAYFAB right now, so yeah. You're gonna be putting what's it called? You're gonna make 2 webhooks or just one. It doesn't really matter. You're gonna go back to Discord. Why won't this load? What the freak? Okay. And then after that, look. So let's just go to my game Gtaggers or Gtaggering, whatever. And then you're gonna go to like, see how it's room logs. So this script is only room joined that works. Freaking server is getting nuked, I think. Yeah, well, let me just mute that. Oh, my bad, guys. 24 hours. Okay, anyways, so basically, wait, I just realized I'm at, frick, okay, I'll just make a new webhook. So, you would go to a room, you would just make a webhook called room logs, go to room logs, save. You would copy the webhook. And then you would paste it right here. But don't forget, you also have to put it here in the room joined. Now you go to rules right here. New rule.